Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials: a painting easel, a paint brush, and the object you want to paint. Place the easel on flat ground. Make sure you have building permission. Once placed, open the easel interface and select the canvas slot. This is where you import or draw. You should choose the right item to paint because the easel reads that asset. If you're using a template, load it now so you can edit pixels or attributes directly. Once the canvas is open, begin editing by selecting brush size and color. You control detail with the 1px brush for fine work. Use the grid and zoom to align pixels, and use fill for large areas to save time. Make frequent saves or export temporary copies because changes can be permanent. If the easel supports layers or templates, place base colors first, then add highlights and shadows. Remember to test visibility on the target item by previewing in-game. To finish, save your final version and apply it to the target item, then view it in World to confirm colors and alignment. If elements are off, revert to the last saved copy and reposition layers or pixels because precise placement matters. If you encounter lag or the easel fails to save, reduce the canvas resolution or restart your client to clear memory. One quick tip: always keep one backup export so you can
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.